Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson at the MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm doing a walkthrough of our 2024 22L Fastback. So being the Fastback boat, you have the area back here where you got the cup holders and then the speakers down low. Really cool feature. So when you're hanging out in the back of the boat, you can sit back here and hear the music. It's all detailed really nice. We got the luminous blue with the graphite interior. Just a great combination. Got the new lily pad ladder, of course. This boat has a 150 Yamaha. Movable cup holders, nice radius seating with the dual captain's chairs layout. Got the Simrad screen, kicker stereo media center coming on up here. Oh, and this does have the RGB lighting, so speakers, cup holders change color. And then it's got the 80% cutout there, so you can stick stuff down in there and store it with the speakers up and protected and out of the way with some USB chargers. Got the nice rectangular table. Just really awesome boat. 22-foot L Bennington tri-tune, 10-foot bimini canvas bimini cover. Great boat. So come on out to MarineMax, check out this awesome boat, and it will be online and it'll be on our website with MarineMaxGreenville.com. You can give us a call at 864-236-9005. We have a lot of other Benningtons in the store too if this one isn't the right one for you. And you'll see these pictures up, and this boat does have some other cool details that you'll see online, like the blackout package. Thank you.